Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 8:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on May 25th, 2021. Okay, a couple of things. Let's just make sure everyone knows this isn't financial advice and it's educational only. Don't risk what you can't lose, folks. And twitter.com below if you want to stay up to date with my latest Twitter, intraday updates related to my entry exit points, more exit points, and then stay up to date with my latest videos by clicking subscribe. Dollar cost averaged out at 43.7, so 43 cents to 44 cents on NuCypher. We will continue to track. I still continue to believe that condition A will make it at some point soon. Not today, maybe not tomorrow, but in the near future, meaning within the next few days. All right, let's go straight into the charts here first and foremost. Okay, so NuCypher US dollar is kind of paltry here, kind of broke down again. But I'm not overly worried about this chart. I want to just show you what the two components are that make it up, that drive it, and more importantly, what the price action and patterns are within those two. Okay, as I always mention, this one, which is what we're looking at in terms of NuCypher, I am invested at 43 to 44 cents on this. Now, how would I know if I'm bullish or not? Well, I could look at the chart, or I could look at the underlying drivers of what makes this chart. So Bitcoin is very, very bullish right now, in my opinion. And I've talked about how it broke out of the wedge. And the NuCypher strength compared to Bitcoin is still above the curve. What do I mean by that? Well, let's look at the two components that, when multiplied together, are equal to NuCypher US dollar. So going back to the charts, we'll see the Bitcoin chart. So the Bitcoin chart is still over this line, and this line goes back a little ways. Okay, so I have to just drag it further out. But now we're close to 37,000. So if you look a little closer upon inspection, we busted out yesterday, and we're coming back down. I am anticipating a bounce off this line and a move back up. But we have to just watch this carefully. And I'll be tweeting this throughout the day. So if you subscribe, you'll get to know whether or not we're above that line or below the line or wherever we are. On the NuCypher Bitcoin pair. Okay, so we're also above that area of support. This is, believe it or not, the rounded edge, but we're just so zoomed in. It's like looking at the Earth's horizon and barely seeing a bend. Well, this is kind of the same thing. If I zoom out, you can see the bend a lot more. Anyway, so this cupping pattern that we talk about for the NuCypher Bitcoin pair is still intact. It's a little bit down towards the bottom end of it, but, to be expected. This was pretty much over the weekend, so we had a scare retail outflow to be expected. Let's see how this thing shapes up. Again, what we want to see is a move, like a turnaround here. So we'll see how that works out. I anticipate Bitcoin will continue to rise throughout the day and into the next couple of days, further bolstering the confidence in the retail space, which would ultimately lead into a rise in the cryptocurrency to Bitcoin pairs. So keep your eye on this stuff. I will be keeping everyone posted throughout the day through Twitter, and stay safe. Take care. Bye.